Sanibonani babukeli sisesekhona la ekhaya ngisesahamba naye umfowethu ithwini lama sihlanganisa ngabantu sahlanganisa idlozi kanti nenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana ngokusho njalo ngithi bafowethu sezihlukanise ukufa abaningi BraKB bafikile empilweni yami bangigila abandlula abanye bafikile empilweni yami bangigila abandlula ngize ngithi mina uNkulunkulu into waba fair kimi empilweni nabogogo yimi nawe
Ngiyabonga mkhulu.
Ube fair but ngokunye hayi bafowethu bafika uyabona umuntu akabongi KB umuntu uyamthatha phansi umbeke esigabeni esithile maseka lapha athi hayi ngeke ungitshele elikhuleni ngeke ngitshele KB phela hey mina in bafowethu musani ukwenza kanjalo ingakho abantu abaningi eKB endleleni bahamba bawisa ukuthi they don't respect the person that helped them to be in the level that they are today. Thank you.
Anyway, masiyeke politiki. Okay. So we are back and forth with this one.
Yeah.
But ngifuna uyicala kahle ukuthi since mina ngifika la first day school before shy camera ngenzani. I know ukuthi you've always refused certain things. Yes. I know ukuthi and this is what people need to understand. Ukuthi it kept pants. Just to explain to the people. At any given time, if minangila and then there's something move. Ngiyeke lento le ngihambe or ngibuye and then there is either jewelry, artifacts, money or whatever. That thing ukuthi isuke lapho isuka khona izoba la. That thing has been blasted. That's called blasting. I-blasting seyahlukana. It's got the one enkulu eprofa ngayifuni. Bese you have lower versions. Lower versions ikwama briefcase is a version of blasting or transferring money, so on and so. So I the only thing prof you allowed was okay. Bonus kumba esenye strong what ithi ngisiyeke ngenza briefcase wabulala abanye abantu I don't want to go into politics why is the briefcase so that umphakathi ukhona uyithola then was stop a lap then you started saying there is no money Esheshayo there is no money Esheshayo there is no money Esheshayo last year I don't know what happened to you decided okay the things exist behind the scenes engis nigga the closest people to me those nigga umphakathi okay. You didn't even tell me. I mean, I just got surprised this year. But anyway, any politics, I don't want to be accused. But bottom line is, this year you said you're coming with only 3 things. Also, Nigom Parat. Wati uzobanibu Syriana, obviously. Umanas. No samba no more yabamazi or as the etusazo kulmanai. Those 3 things, right? Yasmin, I kept on asking you, Prof, do you think it's safe to give the public less into this? Because Tina, behind the scenes, spiller now. We know what is posting journey, senza and how dangerous it is, whatever. We know what, even if Nendolo Masitati, 7 Zayan, so if in Nginga, all those things we know. But that's because Tina Sibala. Mawini Parati, what are the safety issues? 99. All right. And then you said, listen, I will address Parati, so Kulman Parati Mina straight. Here's the opportunity to Kulman Parati about Imali Esheshayo and all the stuff. Also, Nigom Parati already the ones that you're already giving out. Nzoktetela la.
Ngiyabonga BraKB yazi masiphile emhlabeni wezika siphile emhlabeni la khona kwenzeka izinto. You don't promote izinto noma uzithatha uzise public. It's not ukuthi I'm not doing it or whatsoever. I have explained with what are my reasons not saying ayikho imali Esheshayo but ngisabuya manje ngizonitshela kahle babukeli remember kule mali Esheshayo there's a possibility ukuthi I futhi possibility kungahamba abanye abantu emhlabeni kuze wena ukwazi kuba nemali leyo Esheshayo. I will put example ngoManasa. uManasa uma umbhekile Mongabheka inkomo yamanguni akusi 5 rand. Inkomo yamanguni is 20, 27, 28,000 just that cow. Esiyoyenza umhlatshelo ngayo ukuthi kungafi umuntu ekini, kungafi umntwana wakho, kungafi inhliziyo yakho. But remember, I all tell people, but you must be aware that anything can happen. Anything can happen. Ukuthi wena uhlale nalento ukuthi angihlala nayo. That thing ivuswe ngegazi. Ingakho ikwazi ukusheshisa izinto zakho. Ingakho ikwazi ukuthi imali ingene masisha. Ngani? Ngoba you sacrifice ngeblood. Anything that sacrifice with blood, it's pay fast. So that is why it iyashesha. But remember, even the dying iyashesha.
Yeah.
So ukuze ngithi I want to protect those who say we want it. Kuze lento bengingayikhiphi kumphakathi because bengiyisebenzisana nabantu engibabonile ngihambe nabo endleleni ba matured. So kuze ngibuye ngithi let me give even the community is because of I'm seeing people are suffering. They don't understand Imali Esheshayo. That is why when I said there's no Imali Esheshayo, I was trying to remove this thing in their mind. I thought I'm done, that I didn't do anything.
Yes.
They keep on coming. They keep on coming. Prof, you are lying. Why mina unginikile Imali Esheshayo? Why kanti ufuna kufe thina kuphela? Why ufuna thina sibe yi-sacrifice abanye abantu bangase? Balethe nabo babone ukuthi kuyaphilwa la. You understand? Sase ngiyoba ubani mina uma nasa nala avumelana nalabantu abashonela. Let me just give to the community. Angibanike abantu baphile, but akube umuntu omatured. Remember, to split blood is a higher sacrifice.
Yes.
So if you didn't split blood, you didn't do a higher sacrifice. That is why your things will go slower and far. You understand? Not that fast that the thing. You understand? Man, as a we're working today, tomorrow is in we understand. Yeah. So as the next day after 21 days, I go connect. No, the higher sacrifice is the more that gives you more money fast.
Okay, so bazombona usihamba moya. I don't want to talk about that because awungakakhuluma. But the other question, because and I thank those followers that have followed the AMA channel and now they can piece information, they listen. So they already know okay, when it comes to less than dollars, you shouldn't keep it for long. So time 7 days, achieve what I need to achieve, then take it back to Prof.
Yes.
Then take it back to Prof. What would you say to those people that are actually smart enough to work the system? Because that's what I use this thing. That's how I would advise people to use it, and that's how to use it normal. But what would you say in terms of people that want to keep Abu Manasa for 6 years? Okay, you can't keep it for 6 months over, but like in terms of keeping it long term and short term and whatever. Just explain the difference. Why is it important for 6 months or even 3 months that for that long?
The problem, Brakebi, the sacrifice, remember we did Ninkome Mangun. After did that thing, if you go, maybe sitting in 3 months, utolimal for 3 months. And then besohlala 3 months. Iyofuna omunye umhlatshelo. And lowo mhlatshelo uyenzani?
But that's what I'm trying to say.
So I was not saying
imali mnandi.
Ilento ngifuna ukuyichaza,
especially if you've never seen it. Namaphepha. I wonder if you see it on a bank screen or whatever. It's different from Moibona. So looking at it,
yes,
but you know what to say.
The problem.
How do you deal with that?
The problem, I warn people before I give them. Now, why you peel? Why you peel? It's because of you take it for simple, you come back. But ultimately, a prophet don't care who's dying, who's gonna do what. I just need money. I won't bring it. I allow him. Remember that this guy told you about. He took that thing for. We agree on 6 months. After that, people start passing, and then I say, no, Prof, we had to stop it. I'm bringing it. No, you can't. You can't bring something that is eating a human being. So now, that thing I won't be able to control. Yes. Remember, I built it using a cow blood. Now it's have drained some
Human
soul.
blood, yeah.
So I can't deal with that one. So we need to understand about Manasa. We need to understand about the man Esheshayo, the consequences and everything that is gonna happen if you don't follow the real
rules. Okay. So uyivala, Prof, just if ngifuna ukuyisummarize kahle. If uzothatha uManasa, if uzothatha uSiriana, and bakithi uSiriana akathathwa ngenkomo. Let's just be clear on that. People are saying ukuthi bafuna inkomo for Siriana. Yes, I just got a headache. It was Prof was firing kingi. Prof, namanje ngisakhala was firing kingi. So there's no cow for Ulona, ne?
uSiriana akafuna.
Yes.
You just come with 20,000, it's done.